Another aspect of veterans pension that is confusing is the concept and the requirement of disability. Veterans pension is a disability compensation, and so an individual to receive or qualify to receive pension must be considered by the VA to be disabled. Now, disability for VA purposes is a little different than how we typically consider it. Normally, we consider disability by what we can see expressed in front of us, or what a doctor will diagnose. For VA purposes, disability is defined in the statute and generally means being older than age 65, with some exceptions. And so the real question for most people who are going to consider receiving the veterans pension, or whether they're eligible, is not so much are they disabled, but really how will the VA rate their disability for VA purposes. And the VA rates a person in one of three categories. They can be disabled and independent. They can be disabled and housebound. They can be disabled and in need of aid and attendance. Those are the three criteria, and we've put them up on the screen. Independent primarily means what it sounds like, not needing any assistance for anything, able to handle life on your own. Housebound primarily means when someone needs to stay in or around their home most of the time for a physical or a medical reason. And aid and attendance is reserved for those who need substantial help. You may hear people talk about ADLs, activities of daily living, and those certainly provide evidence of the need for aid and attendance. But the most important thing to remember is once a person is disabled for VA purposes, the critical component is which rating, independent, housebound, or aid and attendance, will they receive, because that rating is critical for the final part of qualifying, which is demonstrating a financial need for the pension. And based on that disability rating, gives the person greater flexibility with respect to how they can meet those financial tests.